Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to activate Ooredoo eSIM on your phone. First of all, you need to open your phone settings. Then you need to go to the search and find eSIM. And you can see there is option add eSIM. You need to click it and you need to wait a few seconds until this page will pop up, guys. Now there are two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. We need to click use QR code and you need to scan the QR code. But if you don't have available QR code, you can click the button in the bottom, enter details manually, and you need to enter SMTP plus address, activation code, and confirmation code if it's available, because it's optional. Then click the next button in the top right and you will activate your eSIM. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.